find out. Okay. So, what do we need to do to this?
Algebra.
Okay, you guys, let me write down number one and then we'll compare and contrast here. Number one said, whoops, this.
We should probably subtract 7x.
You should probably subtract 7x.
You could, but really factoring is easier when the x squared term is positive. So you probably want to move everything to the left side in this case, but you could subtract 7x. So I would probably add x squared and subtract 8 to get rid of it on this side and then have it on this side. So also, does the order matter?
No.
Not really, but we kind of want to write it in standard form here because so we don't get confused when we go to factor. Okay, so the x squared should come first, and what should come next? What should come next after x squared?
X.
7x, and then minus 8. Okay, now it looks like a normal problem, equal to 0. We can solve. All right, how do we solve this?
X is in front.
X times x. What multiplies into negative 8? That adds up to 7.
Or like something 8 and 1 like negative 8.
How do you get 7 from 8 and 1?
8 minus 1.
8 minus 1. So positive 8 minus 1. Then what do we do after that? What x values make these factors equal 0? What x value makes this factor equal 0?
8. No.
Negative 8.
Negative 8, yeah.
Or
1.
positive 1. Okay, just a really quick review. If we have this, you guys remember this one? What would the answers be?
It'd be 4 over 3 and negative 1/2.
Correct.
Good job.
So if it was x minus 4, it would have just been 4, but now it's 4 over 3 and negative 1 over 2. Alright, anyways. Now we're reviewed from yesterday.
That's good. Just order a gangster restaurant.
Yeah,
I can tell, bro, you've been farming.
What?
it didn't take attendance.
I'm gonna fart on you.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, I'm gonna fart on you.
That's kind of weird.
You're weird.
Alright. On 19, what should we do first?
You should do like the thing.
We should probably subtract 5.
Yeah, we should probably subtract 5. That way we'll have everything on the right side, including a minus 5. And the left side will be our 0.
Excuse me. How do people sleep?
Madeline, you need a nap? Do you need a nap? Yeah.
I woke up at like last night, 2 a.m. and couldn't get back to sleep. And
Did you play Fortnite?
then, no.
That's Lennox's problem, why he can't sleep. I woke up, played Fortnite on my own.
I get the answer just to Jordan.
Okay, so if we subtract 5,
ready to play GTA 6, Mr. Jordan?
No, probably not. Alright.
You do math in your free time.
Mhm.
This is great.
This morning when I was like half conscious and waking up,
You're just like.
math thoughts were coming into my head and I was like, wow.
Actually,
Yeah. Wait. Okay. So, what to do? What should we do on this one?
we do 2 and 3.
Okay. The front could be 1 and 6, but I would check 2 and 3 first.
And
Remember yesterday I gave you guys the hint, usually this book does the numbers that are more in the middle,
yeah.
like 2 and 3. Now that's not always true, like number 8, that's not true, but, and then what goes in the back? What goes into negative 5?
1 and 5.
1 and negative 5, or negative 1 and 5. Okay, yeah. In this case, negative 1 and 5 are gonna work, because when you do the outside you get 10b, the inside is minus 3b, 10 minus 3 is 7b. Alright, so what are the two answers though? B equals
MC squared.
B equals 1.
positive 1 half, or
Negative 5 over 3.
negative 5 over 3. You guys see the pattern? See where he's getting that from?
Money's goofy, bro.
So is 22.
Okay, on 21, the c squared term is positive on the right. So I would probably move everything to the right. So how do I get rid of this stuff?
Subtract it all.
Subtract them both. Subtract it all. So this goes away. And those don't mix. Linux was having trouble on this because he said it's goofy. Did you try it already? Is that why you said it's goofy?
Number 20.
Oh,
I said
20's goofy, yeah.
20 is goofy. On 20, I would subtract n squared, add 8n, and add 7 so that everything's on the left.
that's what I mean.
What if we just.
This is still goofy.
So you'd have, I lost my place. 2n squared plus 15n plus 18 equals 0.
Plus. Oh shoot, I forgot to add this in. My bad. That
Alright.
makes sense.
So on 21, what goes into 2c squared? 2c times c. What goes into negative 30?
30.
Negative 5 and 6, or maybe 6 and negative 6 and 5, or something like this. Let's see. If we do the 6 out here, negative 6 out here, this would be negative 12. And then we could do the plus 5 right here. Negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7.
Nice.
Okay. So, Jaden, do you know what the two answers would be on this?
It would be negative 2 over 5
Other way.
over 3. Negative 5 over 2.
Yeah.
And then it would just be 6.
Yep. We don't have a ton of problems. They're a little bit hard because, you know, there's numbers on the front, so you have to think a little bit, but there's not a lot of them. All right. Speaking of thinking, what should we do on 23?
Take out the R.
Not yet.
Oh.
subtract, wait, which one? Yeah, subtract.
Subtract 3r. Bring everything over, because we want that equals 0 on one side, so we can use the 0 trick. And then Clayton, you guys see what Clayton said? He said, take out an r. And then what's left? So what's probably going to go in the front on this one? 5 and 2 probably. Possibly 10 and 1, but not really. No, it's not going to be 10. Okay, so in the back, -3, that could be like -3 times 1 or something like this. Actually, I think it's going to be -1 and 3. Because, no, I said that wrong. It's going to be 3 negative. Yeah, because if I put 3 right here, this will be a 6r. And then the -1 right there will be a -5r. And 6r minus 5r is 1r.
Alan the Brave.
Sorry. We're gonna see what you think of that. But, what's your name in Fortnite? What's your name in Fortnite?
Aslan the Brave.
Alan the Brave. It's a dunny name.
Wouldn't that be hilarious if Adeline was like a secret Fortnite dominator?
Mine's epic damage.
Skibbity Toilet is yours.
I wish that was mine.
Jaden doesn't play Fortnite, but if he did, Skibbity Toilet would be his. If he knew how to log in.
Yeah.
Mine's-
I can't figure out how to change my name.
Mine's Yuppies or Breakfast for Burrito.
Roman, how do you change your name on
Or
Fortnite?
burrito for breakfast.
Because it's still my mom's name. And I'm like, I'm trying to.
Your Epic Games.
Yeah, if you your Epic Games account. Or if you're on Xbox, you can pay $10 to change
Well,
it.
I do. I'm on PlayStation.
You can pay $10 to change it.
Well, who wants to pay $10 to change
You can go to your Epic Games account and change it for free.
Okay, anyways, what would the two answers on this one be?
-3. Oh wait, oh we're going in for -3 over 5. And 1 over 2.
And, you guys remember this from yesterday?
And 0.
0.
Let's go!
Shake them, man. Shake them.
If you don't know how to pray, hit that follow button. Let's go.
That good for you.
Back to school came.
What number was
And I
that?
had no
20.
kids. No, not a
3.
single jug.
Well, what's smells like cheese?
Okay,
Only you. Who was on something to shut
uh, so let me go back to, for this last section, let's go back to no, not 19, 17. Okay, if we know that, yeah, if we know that what these two answers are, shouldn't we know what goes up here? Like what the equation should say? Like if -8 is an answer, what's behind my hand right here?
Positive
X plus 8. And if 1 is an answer, what's the factor right here?
X minus 1.
X minus 1. So what they're doing on 25, 26, 27, 28, they're giving us the answer and we're supposed to write the equation that they can.
That's easy.
Okay, so on 25, they give us x equals 2 and 11. Okay, so if 2 is an answer, what's one of the factors?
X plus, or X minus 2.
X minus 2. And if 11 is an answer, the factor is...
X minus 11. This is easy.
Okay, however, we can't leave, the directions say write it in standard form. So what does that mean?
Keep going, so x squared.
You have to FOIL, that's what that means.
Gosh dang
It is not that bad.
No crying in math class.
it. X squared.
You crying? There's no crying in baseball.
Yeah, that's where I'm getting that quote from.
You know what?
What the-
It's like.
I'm kind of surprised you
it's
know
like,
what that is.
It's like something leaves.
A league of their own.
Oh yeah, a league of their
During, was it World War I or II? What, I think it was World War II.
like the setting.
The guys all went off to war, so there was
Oh,
no
yeah,
there was no professional baseball, so the women started playing.
With Tom Hanks.
Yeah. I mean, that's based off of real life. That
Oh, it is.
the story is not exactly real life, but like, I think the names of the characters are real, actually. Anyways, the x times x is x squared. Outside is minus 11x minus 2x.
Imagine going to Grace Community Church.
Imagine making fun of someone because they graduated from church.
He's got
He doesn't have to imagine. He's there.
Ooh, Jordan's got a point.
Man, shut up.
All right. Got it?
Okay.
I have to put it in my mouth.
You think you're a Swedish fish. With the Swedish fish.
Do not
Yeah,
eat
Swedish
Is
fish.
it warm?
No.
Oh, is that the
It's
one on the trash?
just on the ground.
Mm-hmm.
And no, Robin doesn't know how to eat it. Because he has to look at eating with
But why is there like hair on it? I mean, if you give me like money, I'll do it.
I'm not gonna give you money.
At least $5.
Robin will literally.
Okay. Now we're upping it to hard mode, guys.
Gosh.
Well, actually, there's only one of them that's hard. It's -5/2. But 28 has 2 of the fractions. I don't know if we can we handle this? Actually, I have a good idea. Well, let's start with the easy one. If -2 is an answer, what's one of the factors?
X plus 2.
X plus 2.
I got it, Jordan. Don't worry. I got it.
Okay, hold on.
Oh,
I got an idea. Let's do an example and then we'll reverse engineer it. Okay, if we had this, what would the answer be?
1 over 3.
-1/3. Okay? Therefore,
2x plus
I got it. No. 5x plus 2.
2x plus 5.
Dang it.
yeah, he's
That's
right.
what I have written down.
You just said it backwards.
Do not drink this.
Nice.
No.
Okay, this one.
Sure.
Who's fishy? Stinks crust.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we need to foil this.
Where did it sound like that?
Why don't you guys just
There, now we can swim around.
check my fish? Dead.
I got a little pet fishy now.
It's awesome, dude.
It needs more room to swim around.
Yeah, as soon as I got like the first fish, like there were like 2 of them, and they both died. With,
Oh,
like,
he's
you know,
disintegrating.
It was kind of sad.
Mm. Yeah, something good.
How does a fish die within a week? Like,
You overfeed it or
bro, we fed it like every day. Every day? Like once or twice a day.
Twice a day?
You're only supposed to feed it once a month.
No, but like